Hi, my name is Stephen McGee and I'm the author of Curing Electromagnetic Hypersensitivity. And we're here to review this experiment. Now, this experiment involves growing Dieffenbachias with different kinds of supplements that humans take. And the reason why I did that is because I noticed that my Dieffenbachias were showing extensive deformity. And typically, before I started growing them with these supplements, they would show this kind of growth. So the majority of Dieffenbachias in my home were looking like this. And I've actually managed to get them looking like this, which is the way that they're supposed to look. And I use supplements to do that. And the reason why they deform is that my home is in a patch of biologically harmful radio frequency radiation. And that's coming from 3 cell phone towers in my area and also transmitting utility meters. And we're going to go through these plants and we're going to start at the worst and we're going to finish off at the best. And I'm going to show you what each supplement did to the plant. So the first one is a dead plant and this one got yeast. So the plant did not seem to respond very well to yeast. So this is the worst one out of the bunch that's still alive. And this one's getting magnesium. So this one is a zinc plant. And you can see that these 2 plants right here, the magnesium and zinc, are the youngest. And I had a little problem trying to get them to grow properly. But that was down to the dosing, and they now get an adult dose once per month in their water. And that's what all the plants are getting. So this one got multivitamins. So this one's a little bit better. We've got the patterning coming back, and you can see that the latest leaf is a little bit stressed, but the previous leaves were doing pretty good. And we've got the patterning in there. So this one is getting iron. And it's looking a little bit better. So we've got nice pattern leaves coming up, and they're quite large, but they're not full size. So let's see what's going on with the next plant. So this plant has got larger leaves. It's starting to look more like the way that Dieffenbachia is supposed to grow. And this is getting fish oil. So this one here is starting to show a little bit of stress. And you'll notice that this particular leaf looks copper coloured. I'm going to show you the reason why that leaf would be looking copper coloured, and it's down here because the supplement that this one gets is copper. So this one seems to be showing some level of copper toxicity now. It's an important thing to realise when you're supplementing with copper, is that you can take too much of it. So this one here is looking very, very well. And it's actually probably one of the tallest plants. There's only one that's a little bit taller than it right here. And you can see that this one got B12. So the B12 vitamin appears to be very beneficial to plants that are grown in radio wave fields. You see it's pretty much looking quite normal for a Dieffenbachia. But by far the best plant is this one. So we've got the full size leaf growth. Leaves the size of your hand, lots of patterning, and how we achieved it was down here. So this one got kelp. So kelp appears to be very beneficial in radio wave fields. Now, if you want to see how all this translates into the human, you'll need to have a read of my book. So this is Curing Electromagnetic Hypersensitivity, and the book was developed out of the work that I did on plant research in radio wave fields. I hope you enjoyed the presentation and I wish you the very best of health. Thank you.